Google has just released its latest AI model, and that is called Google Nano Banana. And in this video, we are going to learn how to create the thumbnail using that. Change the color of the doll and expression. Change the text to creepy doll and real horror story. Change the background to be more horror and more creepy. Replace the tiger to be. And at the time of recording, this Nano Banana is free for everyone. You have to just go to the Google AI Studio, and here you will find this option, Gemini native image. Okay, so we'll be using this to create a thumbnail which we like. So first of all, let's come to the YouTube and search for any niche. Like if you are making a thumbnail for horror niche, just search that term on the YouTube and just browse through the different videos and see which one you like. So if you like any of the thumbnail, maybe this thumbnail is somewhat good. So if I want to replicate this, I can just copy this video, copy link address, and then I'll go to this website, YouTube thumbnail downloader, and I'll paste it over here and then press enter, and this would be the thumbnail. I'll just click on the download, right click and save image, and I'm going to save it here with the name of horror. Now we are going to make a similar thumbnail using the Google Nano Banana. So we'll come over here, click on this Gemini native image, and over here we will click on this plus icon and we'll select the upload image, and then we'll browse that thumbnail which we have just downloaded. We'll just open that, and here you have to click on the acknowledge button, and then like this thumbnail. And if you want to change this to something else, like just select that and write change the color of the doll and expression and press enter. So we have to wait a little bit, and let's see. Okay, within I think 10 seconds this is almost done, but now okay, so in 14 seconds. So if you want to save this conversation in the Google Drive, I would, when you first start using it, it would give you this option to save the chat in the Google Drive. So just you have to give the option, just click on this option, enable Google Drive, and then it would browse and sign into your account of Google, and that way this chat history would be available here and it would be saved. Okay, so you can see it has changed the color to something because we have not defined here that which color we want. So it has changed the color and it has just changed its expression as well. So it was less creepy and now it is more creepy. Now we'll ask the Labubu doll to change the horror story to, let's change the text, ask him to change the text, change the text to creepy doll and real horror story, and then we'll press enter or run it. Let's wait what it gives to us, and you can see, boom, it has given us the exact result we want, creepy doll, real horror story. It has kept the consistent character and font. And now suppose if I want to change the background also, so I'll type change the background to be more horror and more creepy. Let's see what it does, and boom, you can see it has made it more creepy. It has changed the background, kept the original text and doll as it is, and boom, it looks just amazing. So now you can just simply press download and do whatever you like with this one. So this is really amazing tool, and at this moment you get I think 32,768 tokens for the free account, and we have just utilized 1074 tokens. So this is free and this is very good tool, because if you try to create this in Photoshop, that would take you a lot of time, but now you can do this in just few clicks. Now let's try another thumbnail. Alright, so this time we are going to search for luxury car or luxury life, and we'll find a thumbnail which is similar to that, and we are trying to recreate that. So let's find. Alright, so I have changed the search term to luxury life of YouTubers. Okay, suppose I like this thumbnail, so I'll just copy its link and download this thumbnail. And now I'll go back to the Google AI Studio and I'll click on the new chat and or I'll click on the generate media and click on the Gemini native image, and here I will just upload that thumbnail. So that thumbnail I've uploaded it, and I'm going to upload one more image. I have uploaded my image, and now I'll tell the Google AI Studio or Nano Banana to change the person face in image 1 from image 2 and then press enter. Let's see what it does. Alright, it has done it, but it has changed its resolution. So we have to tell it that keep the original first image and only change the person. Let's see what it does, whether it understands or not. Alright, it's not understanding, so we have to try something else. So I think it has nailed it and it has changed it very perfectly. So we will try uploading this once again. So first I'll upload my image and then I will upload the thumbnail. Then I'll write this prompt once again. Change the face in second image from first image. Okay, or replace, let's see, replace the face in the second image from first image. Let's see. I think it's not understanding what I'm trying to achieve here, so let me just try something else. Alright, so I've tried changing the prompt once again, but this again not working. So what we'll do, we'll just forget that and we'll try to do something else with this one. Right now it has some issues, but I think with the time all those would be solved. So let's come to this one and upload it once again, and my prompt would be add a write text luxury. I think spelling of the luxury is correct. Luxury life in Dubai. Luxury life in Dubai. Let's see what it does. Alright, it has written, but I think the text does not look good. We can use the Photoshop rather to just add the text. Okay, so we can do one thing, that we can replace the tiger. So ask it to replace the tiger to be white tiger to white tiger. Okay, let's see what it does, and boom, it has changed this to the white tiger, which looks just amazing. Now let's change it. Change the tiger to big dog, and if you specify the breed, that would also use that breed. To big dog Rottweiler. I think Rottweiler. I think spelling is correct. I'm not sure whether this is the exact spelling, but let's see what it does. Alright, it has nailed it. It has changed it to the Rottweiler, which looks just amazing. So we can use it, and or even you can try your own images and you can ask them to replace the clothes as well. So let me show you if I want to change the cloth of this person. So we can ask him to change the dress to be to suit. Let's see what it does, and boom, you can see it had changed the dress exactly to a suit, and this looks just amazing. There is something weird on the hand, but it's not that noticeable, but yes, it has done the job and it is a very good job. So thank you so much. I hope you have learned something new and useful. Go and try this out. Google AI Studio is really amazing. At this moment, it has just beaten all the available tools right now, AI image generation tools and other video tools as well. So go try this Nano Banana, and if you have not left the review of the course, please do so. That would really help me out to make this course more useful and amazing for you. I hope you have learned something new, and you can just try this Nano Banana right now. It's absolutely free at the moment. Go get it now and create amazing thumbnails. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.